Hi, welcome to my Jenkins video tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll install Jenkins on our operating machine. In my case, on the Windows machine. So just type down Jenkins into the Google, choose download. I will be installing it on the Windows operating system and keep the file and start the installation. Alright, let's choose next. Yes, default installation. Install it on the default path. I will run Jenkins as a local service. Choose next. I will leave the default port 8080 and choose next. So Jenkins is a Java application, and in order to install it, you will need a Java development kit, or in this case, I will install Java runtime environment. So just go into Google and download the latest version of Java runtime environment. Alright, soon as you're back to the Jenkins installation, on this step, you will provide your path to Java development kit. And yes, I will here add Jenkins to the firewall exception, and I will choose the button install. So it's a very quick installation. After you choose the finish button, Jenkins should open a new tab in your browser. So now Jenkins is asking us for administrator password. Administrator password you will find out at this location. So let's go to this location. Open file with Notepad. I will use Notepad++. Select, copy, go back, paste it, continue. Alright. I will install default selected suggested plugins. And now we will have to wait for a few moments because plugins are being installed on our PC. So as soon as plugins are installed, you will create your first admin account. Just fill up these fields and choose button save and continue, and you are ready to go. You're having right now a URL. This is something like a URL of your startup page, so copy paste it in your notepad or save it to the browser, and you shall now receive your startup page. Alright, that's the same page that you actually copy pasted a moment ago. So congratulations, you installed Jenkins successfully on your machine.